In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Xauusd in Metatrader 5 on your laptop. If you're new to trading or just getting familiar with the Metatrader 5 platform, don't worry. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Xauusd, which is the trading symbol for gold, seamlessly added to your trading watch list, empowering you to make trading decisions with ease. Let's get started. First, fire up your Metatrader 5 platform. If you're using a specific broker, make sure you're logged into your account. This step ensures that any changes or additions you make will be applied to your trading environment. Once you're on the platform, direct your attention to the Market Watch panel on the left side of your screen, which is your gateway to viewing and accessing various trading instruments. Here, you'll locate the Symbol tab, an essential feature that organizes all available symbols for trading. If you don't see the Market Watch panel immediately, don't worry. You can quickly open it by navigating to the View menu at the top and selecting Market Watch. Now, with the Market Watch panel in full view, find a vacant space within the panel and give it a right click. This action calls up a context menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select Symbols. This step is crucial as it unlocks the full list of tradable symbols accessible through your broker. In the Symbols window, you now need to locate Xauusd, or, as many traders know it, gold. The symbols are usually organized into categories such as forex, commodities, etc., to facilitate easier navigation. In your search, you might find Xauusd listed under the metals category or a similar section. If you're having trouble locating it, using the search feature within the Symbols window can save you some time. Once you've found Xauusd, you need to activate it by clicking on it and then select Show. This action adds the symbol to the Market Watch panel, ensuring it's ready for you to trade. Don't forget to click Close to exit the Symbols window once you're done. You should now see Xauusd at the bottom of your Market Watch list. With Xauusd successfully added, you can begin monitoring the price of gold and placing trades as you desire. And that's it. You've now added a powerful trading asset to your Metatrader 5 platform, broadening your trading possibilities. Thanks for joining me in this quick and easy tutorial on how to add Xauusd in Metatrader 5. Remember, practice makes perfect, so spend a little time navigating the platform to become more familiar with it. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next guide.